नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अनीता चौधरी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मटेरिया मेडिका, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, JVWU. Today topic is arsenic album medicine, part 2. Mouth symptom, unhealthy, easily bleeding gums, ulceration of mouth with dryness and burning heat, epithelioma of lips, tongue dry, clean and red, stitching and burning pain in tongue, ulcerated with blue color, bloody saliva, neuralgia of teeth, feel long and very sore, worse after midnight, better warmth, metallic taste, gulping up of burning water, throat symptom, swollen, edematous, constricted, burning, unable to swallow, diphtheritic membrane looks dry and wrinkled. Stomach symptom, cannot bear the sight or smell of food. Great thirst, drinks much but little at a time. Nausea, retching, vomiting after eating or drinking. Anxiety in pit of stomach. Burning pains. Craves acid and coffee. Heartburn. Gulping up of acid and bitter substance, which seems to excoriate the throat, long-lasting irritations, vomiting of blood, bile, green mucus or brown-black mixed with blood, stomach extremely irritable, seems raw, as if torn, gastralgia from slightest food or drink, dyspepsia from vinegar, acids, ice cream, ice water, tobacco, terrible fear and dyspnea with gastralgia, also faintness, icy coldness, great exhaustion, malignant symptoms, everything swallowed seems to lodge in esophagus, which seems as if closed and nothing would pass, ill effect of vegetable diet, melons and watery fruits generally, craves milk, abdomen symptom, knowing burning pain like coal of fire, relieved by heat, liver and spleen enlarged and painful, ascites and anasarca, abdomen swollen and painful, pain as from a wound in abdomen on coughing, rectum symptom, painful, spasmodic protrusion of rectum, tenesmus, burning pain and pressure in rectum and anus, stool symptom, small, offensive, dark, with much prostration, worse at night and after eating and drinking, from chilling stomach, alcoholic abuse, boiled meat, dysentery, dark, bloody, very offensive, cholera with intense agony, prostration and burning thirst, body cold as ice, hemorrhoids burn like fire relieved by heat, skin excoriated about anus, urine symptoms scanty, burning, involuntary, bladder as if paralyzed, albuminous epithelial cells, cylindrical clots of fibrin and globules of pus and blood after urinating, feeling of weakness in abdomen, Price disease, diabetes, female symptom, menses too profuse and too soon, burning in ovarian region, leukorrhea acrid, burning offensive thin, pain as from red hot wires, worse least exertion, causes great fatigue, better in warm room, menorrhagia, stitching pain in pelvis, extending down the thighs. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.